Car scratches, an inevitable annoyance for many vehicle owners, often prompt the search for quick and accessible solutions. Among the myriad of suggested remedies, one curious contender stands out: WD-40. Widely recognized as a versatile household lubricant, WD-40 has gained a reputation for its myriad uses. But can it truly work miracles when it comes to banishing car scratches? In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the science, practicality, and effectiveness of using WD-40 to address car scratches. Understanding WD-40, the multi-purpose lubricant. WD-40, which stands for Water Displacement 40th formula, originated as a rust prevention solvent developed by the Rocket Chemical Company in 1953. Over the years, it has evolved into a household staple renowned for its lubricating, penetrating, and water-displacing properties. The primary components of WD-40 include mineral oil, a petroleum-based liquid, and a blend of various hydrocarbons. Its formulation is designed to create a thin, protective layer on surfaces, displacing moisture and providing lubrication. The myth: WD-40 as a scratch remover. Claims and popular beliefs. Numerous online forums, DIY blogs, and automotive enthusiasts suggest that WD-40 can be a magical elixir for banishing light surface scratches on cars. The prevailing belief is that applying WD-40 and buffing the scratched area can miraculously diminish or eliminate the appearance of scratches. Theoretical mechanism. Proponents of this method argue that WD-40's lubricating properties could fill in the microabrasions caused by light scratches, making them less visible. Additionally, the thin protective layer left by WD-40 might provide a temporary cosmetic improvement. Realities and limitations. It's important to note that the effectiveness of WD-40 in addressing scratches is largely limited to surface-level imperfections. Deeper scratches that extend beyond the clear coat and into the paint layers are less likely to be significantly impacted by WD-40. Temporary solution. While some users report success in minimizing the visibility of light scratches temporarily, the effect is often short-lived. WD-40 is not a permanent solution, and the scratches may become noticeable again after exposure to the elements or regular washing. Risk of residue buildup. Repeated use of WD-40 without proper cleaning may lead to residue buildup on the car's surface. This residue can attract dust and dirt, potentially exacerbating the appearance of scratches over time. Practical steps using WD-40 for scratches. Step-by-step process. Clean the surface. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the scratched area. Remove any dirt, debris, or wax buildup using a mild detergent or automotive cleaner. Apply WD-40. Spray a small amount of WD-40 directly onto the scratched area. Alternatively, you can apply WD-40 to a microfiber cloth and then rub it onto the scratched surface. Buff the surface. Use a clean, soft cloth or a microfiber towel to gently buff the WD-40 into the scratched area. Employ circular motions, applying moderate pressure. Inspect and repeat. After buffing, inspect the scratched area. If the scratches are still visible, you may choose to repeat the process. However, be cautious about excessive use. Tips and precautions. Test in an inconspicuous area first. Before applying WD-40 to a visible part of the car, conduct a test in an inconspicuous area to ensure that it doesn't cause any adverse effects on the paint or clear coat. Use in moderation. Excessive use of WD-40 can lead to residue buildup. Apply it sparingly and avoid applying to large areas at once. Follow up with a car wax. After using WD-40, consider applying a layer of car wax to protect the treated area and enhance the overall appearance. Scientific insight. Does WD-40 really work? While anecdotal evidence suggests that WD-40 can offer a temporary cosmetic improvement for certain scratches, there is limited scientific backing for its efficacy as a scratch remover. WD-40's primary purpose is not cosmetic enhancement, but rather lubrication and rust prevention. When applied to a scratch surface, WD-40 may fill in the micro-abrasions temporarily, making scratches less visible. However, this effect is likely to be short-lived, and the scratches may reappear with time and exposure. Alternative solutions for scratches. Polishing compounds. Specifically designed automotive polishing compounds can be effective in addressing light scratches. These products are formulated to remove a thin layer of clear coat, minimizing the appearance of scratches. Touch-up paint. For deeper scratches that penetrate the paint layers, using touch-up paint can be a more effective solution. Ensure that the paint matches your car's color and carefully follow the application instructions. Professional repair. For significant or deep scratches, seeking the expertise of a professional auto body shop is often the most reliable solution. Professionals can assess the damage and provide appropriate repair methods. Conclusion: managing expectations. While WD-40 may offer a quick fix for light surface scratches, it's crucial to manage expectations. The use of WD-40 as a scratch remover is not a foolproof solution, and its effectiveness can vary based on factors such as the depth of the scratches and the overall condition of the car's paint. For a more reliable and lasting solution, particularly for deeper scratches, exploring professional repair options or using automotive products designed for scratch removal may be more effective. As with any DIY method, it's advisable to proceed with caution, conduct a patch test, and be aware of the limitations of the chosen approach. In the quest for a scratch-free car, a combination of preventive measures, responsible driving, and informed decision-making can contribute to maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle. While WD-40 may not be the ultimate solution, it remains a versatile tool in the automotive DIY toolkit, finding its place in various applications beyond scratch removal.
Thank you very much. If you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button. To receive notifications, click on the bell button. May God bless you all.